Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your DocuSign account without using your password. So if you don't have access to your password or verification method, you can use the strategy that I'm about to share with you to log into your account. And this works anytime. So how do you do that? You want to first go ahead and click your account on the upper right hand side, then click in Manage Profile. Now, on the left hand side, you want to click on privacy and security, and you want to go ahead and enter your password. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my password right here to be able to access these features here. Now, it's going to send me a verification code to my phone so that I can quickly log in. I'm going to quickly log in. Now you can see that I'm under the privacy and security section. Now, if you look under the default security section, you will find an option that says recovery codes. These recovery codes, you can use them to quickly log into your account. And especially if you're having issues with your login or your verification process is not working, then you can easily go ahead and use these codes. Now, I'm going to show you what it looks like, and I'm going to show you the steps of how to actually use this. It's very easy. So you want to go ahead and click on show codes. And as they mentioned, you can easily go ahead and save these codes, whether you want to print them or you want to go ahead and save them on some file on your PC or whatever it is, you can go ahead and save these codes. And any one of these codes that you have here, you can easily go ahead and use them to log in by copying it. Now you may be wondering, how do you use these codes? I'm going to show you how. Also, if you want to go ahead and regenerate new codes, you can come here and regenerate them if you want to change these from time to time. Now, as you can see my codes right here, I'm going to go ahead and change mine at a later point in time after the video to have some security to have new codes. So how do we go ahead and use these? Now, as you can see right here, they said you can quickly learn how to use it, and I'm going to show you how. So you click on learn recovery codes there, and from here, you can simply type in the search recovery codes, and you'll have some instructions shown here from their knowledge base. So scroll down here and you will find the options. This is the one how to use recovery codes. I'm going to go ahead and show you both. This page is basically what I just showed you, how to basically find recovery codes. You go to your account, you go to privacy and security, ensure that you have, two-factor verification turned on. And of course, you have the steps to view the recovery codes. Now, how do you use them? I'm going to show you right now. This section basically explains how you use the recovery codes. And so you want to go ahead and, of course, find those recovery codes on the profile, privacy and security, and ensure that you have those recovery codes. Now, how does it work? Once you're signing into your account, you will have a section where you will say verify with SMS. And as you can see right here, this screen is very common where you need to enter the verification code, right? So as you can see right here, it said verify your identity, enter your verification code sent to your phone number. And on the same screen, if you look towards the bottom, you will have the option to resend, choose another method, or use recovery code. And so you want to click this option here that says use recovery code and then enter any one of those recovery codes that you have. And this is how you can easily use it. So there you have it, guys. If you don't have access to your login, or you don't remember it, or your verification process is not working, whatever verification method or login method, your password is not working, you can use recovery code to quickly log in to your DocuSign account. So that's pretty much it. Give this video a like if you found this useful. Let me know in the comments below if you have any question or if you're currently struggling to make this work. I'll be more than happy to help you out. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.